Hello everyone. Again, this is Hannelore with our applique quilt, our alphabet quilt. We are on block E with some beautiful flowers. And on this block, I chose to do some ribbon stippling. I found this in Julia Quiltoff's book on page 124. Again, ribbon stippling. And it's just a dainty little design with some ribbon candy on the bottom of the block. But it's basically a stipple that you go over again and intentionally cross the lines. And Julia explains it very nicely in her book. So this is the book, again, page 124 for ribbon stippling. All right, thanks a lot, you guys. Leave your comments, give me your feedback. I appreciate it. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.